Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So if you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Mahima Saneja. I'm your very own personal stylist and an image consultant. Have you ever looked at your outfit and felt that something is not working but you cannot figure out what exactly it is? या फिर आपने देखा हो किसी ने बहुत ही बेसिक आउटफिट पहना हो बट वो बहुत ही स्टाइलिश, chic and effortlessly put together लग रहे थे? Because the truth is, looking good does not mean buying clothes every single time, but sometimes it's about avoiding those mistakes that we unknowingly make while dressing up. And today's video is all about that. And I'm going to share some common wardrobe mistakes that we oftenly do unintentionally that make us look older, less flattering, and sometimes less confident. And also, I'm going to tell you how to fix them all. So let's get started. Mistake number one, wearing colors that wash you out. Let's talk about something that people never even think about, that is colors. A lot of us choose colors based on trend, जो भी हमें स्टोर्स में अवेलेबल दिख रहा है या जो भी हमें पसंद है. बट आपने कभी नोटिस किया कि कुछ कलर्स में तो हमारी स्किन बहुत ब्राइट एंड हेल्दी लगती है, whereas कुछ कलर्स में हमारी स्किन बहुत डल एंड डिहाइड्रेटेड लगती है. दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाई इट मैटर्स कि आप कौन सा कलर पहन रहे हो, बिकॉज हर कलर हर इंसान पे सूट नहीं करता. एंड नो, दैट डज नॉट मीन यू कैन नेवर वेयर योर फेवरेट कलर एवर अगेन. It simply means that some colors enhance your features more than others. For example, sometimes a softer color of a version may look better on you than an extremely brighter one. When the color suits you, people first notice your face. And when the color doesn't suit you, people will notice the outfit first and not your face. Because the outfit starts wearing you instead of you wearing the outfit. And trust me, understanding and knowing your colors that actually suits you is a complete game changer. Mistake number two, dressing out of habits instead of intention. Now, this one is extremely common. Most of us have a comfort zone that we keep buying the same silhouette, same top, and same jeans, same color over and over again. Not necessarily because it's best for us, because we are used to it. कभी कभी हम अपने आप को स्टाइल नहीं कर रहे होते, सिंपल एक रूटीन फॉलो कर रहे होते हैं. And that's where the problem actually starts. Stylish people does not have closet full of clothes. They buy clothes with intention. Before they buy any clothing item, they ask themselves, do I genuinely like it, or am I wearing this because I have always worn this kind of outfit? And that one question can completely change your wardrobe. So make sure you ask that question before you buy anything, and start with intentional shopping instead of buying anything randomly. Mistake number 3, wearing clothes that does not fit properly. So let's be honest, if there is one thing that makes an outfit expensive or cheap, it's their fit. And honestly, fit matters even more than the brand. Many people wear either very tight clothes or very loose clothes. अगर आप बहुत ही टाइट कपड़े पहन रहे हो तो आपके बॉडी कंसर्न्स को एक्सट्रीमली हाईलाइट करेगा, वेयर एज जब आप बहुत ही लूज कपड़े पहन रहे हो तो आपके फ्रेम को बिल्कुल ही हाइड कर सकता है. सो आपको कुछ ऐसा पहनना चाहिए विच कम्स इन बिटवीन, विच एक्चुअली फॉलोज योर बॉडी विदाउट क्लिंगिंग ऑन इट. एंड इफ समथिंग डजंट फिट प्रॉपरली, डोंट बी अफ्रेड ऑफ ऑल्ट्रेशंस. अ सिंपल एडजस्टमेंट इन योर स्लीव लेंथ, ट्राउजर लेंथ, या फिर आपकी कोई भी आउटफिट जिसकी वेस्ट को आपको सिंच करवाना हो, कैन एक्चुअली completely transform how an outfit can look on you. And sometimes difference between looking polished and looking average is just the right tailoring. Mistake number 4, ignoring modern styling techniques. Sometimes the problem isn't about clothes, it's about how you style them. You could have great pieces in your wardrobe, but if you're styling them again and again in the same way, it becomes boring. Sometimes very simple things like a front tuck, adding a belt, layering a necklace, rolling your sleeves, or maybe adding that shoes can actually change the whole vibe of an outfit. Smallest styling detail can actually create a huge difference in how your outfit looks. And the best part, you don't need anything new to do this. एंड फॉर मोर स्टाइलिंग टिप्स एंड फैशन एडवाइसेस यू कैन फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, जहाँ पे मैं बताती हूँ कि आप अपने बेसिक आउटफिट्स को भी कितने ज़्यादा अच्छे वे में स्टाइल कर सकते हो. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू टेक एनी पर्सनल गाइडेंस ऑन पर्सनल स्टाइलिंग और कलर एनालिसिस, यू कैन डीएम मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम और you can comment down below and my team will connect with you. Mistake number 5, holding on to outdated pieces. I know this one is going to hurt a bit because हम सबके पास ऐसी एक ज़रूर आउटफिट होती है जो हमें बहुत पसंद होती है एंड हम उसे नहीं हटाते अपने वार्डरोब से, बिकॉज मे बी हम उससे सेंटिमेंटली अटैच्ड होते हैं या फिर वो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव होती है. एंड समटाइम्स वी कीप वेयरिंग दोज आउटफिट्स दैट नो लॉन्गर गो विद आर करंट स्टाइल. सो अ गुड क्वेश्चन टू आस्क योर सेल्फ कि अगर ये अभी स्टोर में होता तो क्या मैं अभी इसको परचेज करती. इफ़ द आंसर इज़ नो, इट्स टाइम टू लेट दैट item go out from your wardrobe. And this does not mean that you have to choose every trend that is going out in the market, but you have to be very intentional while you are shopping. It just means that your wardrobe needs to evolve with you, and you have to shop very intentionally and throw out the pieces that you are not wearing. Mistake number 6, wearing everything oversized. I know even I love oversized clothes as well, but when you are wearing an oversized top with an oversized bottom, sometimes it can be too overwhelming for your frame. So instead, you can create contrast by balancing the proportions. Like if you are wearing a oversized blazer, you can pair it up with the fitted bottoms, and if you're wearing a wide leg jeans, you can pair it up with more structured or fitted top, because balance creates shape and shapes create more polished looks. Mistake number 7, forgetting about accessories. I cannot emphasize enough how important accessorizing it, because it makes your outfit look complete, but it is the most ignored things when it comes to styling up. And trust me, you don't need a lot of things. You just need a watch, a pair of earrings, simple necklace, and a structured bag can actually elevate your basic outfit. Think about accessories as a punctuation to the sentence. A sentence can exist even without a punctuation, but will it feel complete? No, right? And the same goes with an outfit. An outfit can never look complete without accessorizing. So before I end this video, I want you to leave with an important note. The goal of styling is not to look younger, but to look more current, confident, and the best version of yourself. So guys, these are the few mistakes that you might be making, which are making you look older without you even realizing it. You know in the comments below which are the mistakes that actually surprised you the most, and the mistakes that you are guilty of. And if you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.